Hello everyone, and welcome to Emma English Practice. This is a great story for listening practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Story of a woman. True love and loyalty.
A happy couple. A poor man was married to a beautiful woman. The man and his wife never quarreled. The husband loved his wife, and the wife loved her husband. They were very happy together. But this happy couple had a rich, handsome neighbor. One day, the rich man saw the poor man's beautiful wife and fell in love with her. "I want to marry her myself," he thought. The rich man's plan. Every day when the poor man was working in the fields, the rich man visited his house. "You are a beautiful woman," he told the poor man's wife, "but your clothes are old. Why doesn't your husband buy new pretty clothes for you? I'm sure he doesn't love you. If he loved you, he would buy wonderful clothes for you. Divorce him and marry me. I will buy you the most beautiful clothes in the land. You will be the most beautiful woman in Ethiopia." At first, the woman ignored him, but he came every day, and every day he said the same things. Soon she began to wonder, "Perhaps my neighbor is right. Why doesn't my husband buy new clothes for me? Maybe he doesn't love me." The wife's demand. That night she spoke to her husband. "Look at me, husband. My clothes are old and ugly. I want new ones. Buy me some new clothes." Her husband smiled. "You don't need new clothes," he said. "To me, you are the most beautiful woman in the world." She was angry. "Don't you love me? If you love me, buy me a new dress." Her husband loved her deeply. He had only a little money and needed a new plow, but he wanted his wife to be happy. The next day, he went to the market and bought her a new dress. "Thank you, my dear husband," she cried. "Now I know that you love me." The rich man returns. The rich man returned and saw her wearing the new dress. "You see," she said, "my husband loves me. He bought me this beautiful dress." The rich man shook his head. "A good husband doesn't just give his wife new clothes. He gives her gold. Where is your gold necklace? Where are your rings? Why doesn't your husband give you those?" He opened a box and showed her shining gold jewelry. "Divorce your husband and marry me. I will give you all of this." The woman refused. "Go away. I love my husband and he loves me. We are happy together." But the rich man came every day, and every day he showed her the gold. A new doubt. At last, she began to think, "Perhaps the rich man is right. Why doesn't my husband buy gold for me? Doesn't he love me?" That evening, she did not cook dinner. Her husband came home late, tired and hungry. "There's no dinner for you tonight," she said. "You don't love me." "What?" her husband cried. "But my darling, I love you more than anything." "Then why don't you buy me gold jewelry?" she asked. When a man loves his wife, he gives her gold. The husband's sacrifice. Her husband was worried. He had spent all his money on her dress. "How can I buy gold now?" he thought. He decided to visit his brother. "Lend me some money, brother," he said. "I will work in your fields to repay you." "All right," his brother agreed, "but you must work hard. My field is full of stones, and you must remove them all." The husband agreed. He took the money and went to the market to buy gold jewelry. When he returned home, his wife was overjoyed. She put on the necklace and rings and said, "Thank you, my dear husband. Now I know that you love me." A new trick. The next morning, the husband left early to work in his brother's field. At home, his wife prepared a wonderful dinner. "My husband works so hard for me," she thought. "He gives me gifts. He truly loves me." Just then, the rich man arrived again. "Your husband gave you clothes and jewelry," he said, "but I can give you something even greater." "What do you mean?" the woman asked. "Can your husband make miracles?" "Miracles? No, of course not. Only God can make miracles." "But I can," the rich man said. "Love makes miracles. If your husband loves you, he can make miracles for you. If you love me, I will make miracles for you." The woman's demand. That evening, the husband came home to find his wife sad. "What's wrong, dear wife?" he asked. "I am sad because you do not love me," she replied. "But you know I love you. I bought you new clothes and gold jewelry. You are the most precious thing in the world to me." "Then make a miracle for me," she said. The husband was shocked. "Miracles? Of course, I can't make miracles. Who told you this?" "Our neighbor," she admitted. "He said that love makes miracles. If a man truly loves his wife, he will make miracles for her." Now the husband understood everything. That wicked man. First, he made you want clothes, then gold, and now a miracle. If I don't make a miracle, she may leave me. What can I do? A real miracle. The next day, the poor man prayed to God. "Oh Lord, please help me make a miracle. I love my wife and want to keep her. Don't let this rich man take her from me." Later, while working in the field, he met a wizard. "I have a gift for you," the wizard said. "These 2 sticks can perform miracles. Touch someone with the first stick, and they will become a donkey. Touch them with the second stick, and they will become human again." The poor man took the sticks and ran home. "Wife, come here. I will make a miracle," he called. Excited, she ran to him. He touched her with the first stick. Poof! She became a donkey. She tried to speak, but only hee-haw came out. He touched her with the second stick. Poof! She was human again. "That was amazing," she gasped. "It's a real miracle." "Yes," the husband said, "and now I will punish my enemy." The rich man's fate. The next day, the rich man came again. "Well," he asked, "can your husband make miracles?" "Yes," the woman said, and she touched him with a stick. Poof! The rich man became a donkey. She took the donkey to her husband's field. For years, the donkey worked hard, carrying heavy loads. Finally, the husband took out the second stick and touched the donkey. Poof! The rich man was human again, but now he was old, weak, and tired. "Go home," the husband said, "and never look at another man's wife again." The rich man ran away and never returned. The poor man and his wife lived happily ever after. The end. If you like this story, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.